Friend, I'm glad you called. This is Catherine Ponder sharing with you this prosperity thought. Did you know that happiness is a habit? That happiness comes as a result of habitual ideas of happiness held in mind continuously, regardless of appearances or circumstances of the moment? This means that you can become happier now, immediately, as you deliberately hold ideas of happiness in mind, regardless of appearances or circumstances about you. For this purpose, say often to yourself these words: I dare to be happy now, because happiness is a habit. Happiness begins within my own thoughts and feelings. I deliberately hold to the idea of happiness now, regardless of appearances or circumstances. I dare to be happy now. As I do so, my happiness multiplies and prospers both myself and others. You will enjoy declaring these same words for others. Say to them and for them, you can dare to be happy now, because happiness is a habit. Happiness begins within your own thoughts and feelings. So deliberately hold to the idea of happiness now, regardless of appearances or circumstances. As you do so, your happiness multiplies and prospers both yourself and others now. And remember that as you dare to be happy, your happiness multiplies and prospers both yourself and others. Thank you for calling Prosperity Dial-A-Thought.